All right, what's going on, everybody? Hope you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. We got no spider webs in the car. My rear seat delete fell down though, but it's all good. Let's go ahead and get a cold start in the Shelby. It's been a couple days. We're gonna go ahead and take this thing out for a little POV drive because it is nice outside. I was wrong about the weather. It actually is pretty good. It's like 70 degrees. It's nice, so we're definitely gonna go ahead and take this car out. And I do want to go ahead and keep moving this car around because I only take this car out when it's really, really nice out. So I'll hit you guys up when I pull it out the garage. All right, we're in the 350, man. It's a nice Sunday morning / afternoon. Now I do actually have to go ahead and make a run real quick, but I am gonna go downtown real fast. Not really downtown. The nice part of Houston, just to go ahead and just to see what's up on this Sunday before I need to do what I gotta do, and then I gotta go back home. So hope you guys enjoy this chill POV drive. For real, gonna be just a chill POV drive. We'll see though, you know what I'm saying? It is Texas. People like to get frisky, but I don't know, with this car, same thing with the 99. I just love to just chill and just cruise it. You go ahead and put this thing in the fun mode too. Got enough gas, I don't have to go to the gas station. Hopefully. Come on, we got some traffic this Sunday. What's going on? Sir, are you merging? Shoot, I need to merge right now. Car is not warmed up all the way yet. Well, I mean, actually, I can check right now, actually. Almost. Almost warmed up. Woo! Come on now, baby. I can take this car out a couple times a week because of how terrible the weather's been recently, and this thing is on the drag tire, so if it is wet and cool, forget it. It's funny because like I've always been bitching about these Mickeys, but you know, I'm gonna have to keep them on because realistically, you know, they're still in good condition. And it's getting about that time to add a couple 100 horsepower to this car, so I'm probably just gonna keep the Mickeys in all reality and just deal with it, or go to the R2s, which I think I might do anyway. R2s be putting in work. You guys seem to enjoy like these chill POV drives where like I'm not just beating on the car, because like that's like what the 99's for. I bought that 99 just to beat on this car. Ironically, like this is a more track oriented, this is the car I really should be like, you know, going like balls to the wall, but I just like to chill with it and just cruise it. You know, it's NA, so you know, it's got a couple bolt-ons, you know what I'm saying? It's got the headers, it's got the cold air, you know, pretty much full bolted on, because the intake manifolds, you know, doing a CJ, there is no gain. Well, there's gains, but the cost per horsepower is just not even there. Like literally, you could buy the ESS kit, like a base G3 kit, for the price of how much it would cost to pretty much do everything to get the CJ, the throttle body, the intake. You got to get the lowering bolts or cut the hood, and I mean, fuck that, it's a 350. You got to do all that, and if you don't do it yourself, shit, you know, you're gonna be looking at like 5,500 bucks, I think. The ESS kit is like $6. I mean, you'd be kind of crazy to not just wait, stack up that extra 500 and boost the car. You know what I'm saying? Like, just, and it's gonna run significantly faster, because like the thing is, like, these full bolt-on GT350s, don't get me wrong, they're not slow, but not slow at all, because you can keep up with you know, pretty much the majority of full bolted on cars, and you can actually outrun a stock Hellcat. I've done it in this car. But you know, the price, the horsepower, it's just really not there, man. Like these things, you'll probably see like a low 8, you know, full bolt-on CJ, sealed engine. That's really not for 5,500 bucks. Bolt-ons, you know, when an ESS kit costs $6K for this car, it's not worth it in my personal opinion. Let me know down in the comment section what y'all think about that. Would you rather spend $6K, or well, technically 5,500 to stay NA, or $6K to boost the car? Obviously, you need the fueling and whatnot, the tuning, but you need tuning for everything. But it's too close, man. Like if it's within like $2,000, I mean, you really should just wait and just boost the car, in my personal opinion. Even if it is on 93. Car's almost warmed up. I like to let this thing get to like, at very least like 180, 185 before I you know, go over 4,000. But yeah, man, it's really nice outside. It's partly cloudy, you know what I'm saying? It's like 60 something degrees out. Cool breeze, not too hot, not too cold. Perfect. DA probably 500, 600, 700. Not bad at all. Woohoo! No rev match needed. Or auto rev match needed, I should say. There goes my brakes, because I don't really be driving this thing. I need to put some different, some new pads or rotors on here though too. I've not done that since I owned the car, but again, like I don't really drive it that much because the weather got bad. But I'm definitely gonna probably do that very soon when I boost. Oh my God, that was a clean C6. Wow, this Supra's clean. Look at this shit. Oh, clean. That thing is clean. That thing is clean, but I'm not doing no type of pulls on this highway. This shit is too packed. It looks good. It looks good, but we know better. See, that's what I'm saying. Like people who know, they know. You know what I'm saying? Hey, oh, what are you doing, good sir? People that know, they know that, you know, doing stuff on this highway is a very, very bad idea. Oh, let me put the fun mode on. I always cruise on the highway in the comfort mode because the suspension is always tight. Or not tight, I should say, very, very soft. Woo! Dang it. Oh, you know, I was wondering why I was sounding so like sharp. It's because I had the back seat thing fell down. Ooh, we got a sheriff up there. Oh man, I'm gonna see what's up. This is like technically like downtown Houston, I guess. I don't really know if you'd even call this. Yeah, actually it is, because it's buildings and whatnot. But this is not like where like the nightlife is. Honestly, I've never been out in Houston like nightlife type shit. I think I did it like once. Damn, bro, I see there's a lot of sheriffs out today. Buses are doing right now. Man. Too deep into the city, but man, I always love just hitting these tunnels. It just sounds insane. Police station right here. Let's tread softly. Out in full force. Somebody's gonna make a left-hand turn. Dude, my brakes are like my brakes are crazy loud today, y'all. Crazy loud. That guy's Ubering. Come on now, turn left. So I be saying, dude, these roads out here in Houston, they're chalked, bro. It's like you're going up and down, up and down, up and down. It's like, what are you supposed to do? Ugh. I will say this, Houston roads are definitely worse than Chicago. As weird as that sounds. I don't know how that is, because it doesn't like get snow and doesn't like ice up here, but roads are definitely worse than Chicago roads. That is for damn sure. Bro, that shit is chalked. That's pretty bad. WRX. Oh, that's a Civic with a WRX type wing. I literally thought that was a WRX, bro. I couldn't even tell. It literally looks like a WRX. Holy shit. But there's a lot of traffic out here today. I don't really know what's going on. I mean, it's a Sunday. I get it. It's nice. That's, you know, that is why. It's a Sunday. It's nice outside. Everybody's just taking their time and they're just cruising. Whew. All right, got the goods. Pulled up to my little spot. These gas station spots are always nice out here in gas station. These warehouse spots. I don't know why I said gas station. That's like kind of where I always post up anyway, but these warehouse spots are always nice out here in Texas. Hope you guys enjoyed the vid. Just a real, this time, a real chill POV drive. Whew. As you can see, man, I killed some bugs today. It is what it is, but if you guys enjoyed the content, make sure you drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications, and I'm gonna catch you in the next one, man. Deuces.